In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted lost Steam saves. If you've just realized a save is missing, don't panic. We'll move from the quickest cloud options to local checks, and finish with a repair that can bring back missing data. Start by opening the Steam application and signing into your account. Make sure your computer is connected to the internet and Steam isn't in offline mode. Cloud synchronization needs an active connection to pull saves down, and using the wrong account can hide the saves you're expecting to see. Next, head to your library and locate the game that lost progress. Each game manages saves differently, so recovery is always done on a per-game basis. Look for a small cloud icon on or near the game's entry. That icon indicates Steam Cloud support. If it's enabled for that title, opening the game or clicking the cloud status can prompt a sync. If you see a message about a conflict between local and cloud data, choose the option to download from the cloud to restore your last online save. Give it a moment. Large save files can take a bit to reappear. If you previously created a manual backup with Steam's built-in tool, restore it now. From the top left, open the Steam menu, choose Backup and Restore Games, then follow the on-screen steps to restore a previous backup. Point Steam to the folder where you stored the backup, select the game, and let the process complete. This places the backup saves and game files back where they belong. If that doesn't work, check your recycle bin or trash. It's common to delete a save folder by accident. Open your system's bin, search for the game's name or recent files you removed, and restore them. They'll go back to their original location automatically. Finally, verify the integrity of the game files. Right-click the game in your library, choose Properties, go to Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan and re-download missing or corrupted content. While this tool focuses on game files, it can fix issues that prevent cloud saves from syncing correctly, and in some cases it restores missing data referenced by the game. After each step, relaunch the game to check whether your progress has returned. Work through these methods patiently and you'll usually recover at least your most recent cloud synced save. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.